Hello everyone, welcome back to Inside Edge Lab. Here we discuss data analytics, machine learning, SQL, Power BI and Excel in simple and practical way. As we have started our new series to learn Microsoft Power BI from basic till the advanced part of it. So in this series, you are not going to learn only Microsoft Power BI, but this series will help you to learn or crack your Power BI PL300 certification as well. So let's try to see the same. In this video, we are going to see how to connect pipe separated file to your Power BI report. Before moving to the practical implementation, let's try to understand the data first. So as you can see here, I have this pipe delimited file. If I open this file in the notepad, so you can see here data is delimited or data is separated by the pipe. We have to load this data to the Power BI for reporting purpose. So let's try to see the same. As I have opened this Power BI file where we have not loaded any data yet, so we have to load that pipe separated file. First of all, click on get data option, click on more. Then you will able to see several options to connect the data source from different multiple sources. Click on file and here you will find text and CSV. So click on that text/CSV option, click on connect and choose the directory where you have that particular pipe delimited file is there. So in this case, my file is present in this directory. So choose that particular file which is pipe delimited. Click on open. So see, I am able to see the data which was pipe delimited. This is happening because Power BI has identified the delimited by default based on your data. But it may happen in your case, it will not identify by default. So how to choose delimiter? By your custom. So here in the delimiter drop down, you will find this custom option. Then it will help you to give or to enter your delimiter. As in our case, our delimiter is pipe. So enter pipe and now click on transform. Now see, we are able to load our data in the Power Query. Make sure whatever the data type is should be there, it has detected properly. For salesperson, it should be text, it has identified correctly. For branch, it should be text, it has identified correctly. And for actual sales and target sales, it should be the numeric one. So it has identified correctly. Now, simply click on close and apply. Now see, earlier there was nothing in the data pane. Now we are able to connect the data which is pipe separated to the Power BI report. So let's try to see the whole data by clicking on table view. Now here we have the data which was pipe delimited. Now this data you can use for the reporting and visualization purpose. Let's try to see that one as well. So here as we have this data which is related to the actual sales and target sales given by the branch as well as salesperson. Let's say I want to create one visual which will help me to understand actual sales by the branch. So let's try to create one ribbon chart here or funnel chart you can say. And here I will drag and drop actual sales to the value and I want to bifurcate it by the branch. So I will drag and drop branch to the category. Now see, we are able to distribute the sales by the branch. Now later on you can format as you want. But point of understanding, this is the way you can connect pipe delimited file to your Power BI report. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to check out other tutorials on our YouTube channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video.